Let's take a look at our eighth example. Again, we're wanting to solve this, find the zeros. So we got x to the fourth minus 8x to the third plus 4x squared plus 24x minus 21 equal to 0. All right, let's go to the calculator, see what we can find there. So press y equals, press clear. I got x to the fourth minus 8x to the third plus 4x squared plus 24x minus 21. Have to have 0 on y2. This process again does not work. Do second, trace, choose intersect. Looks like -2. Let me do enter on first curve, enter on second curve, and put in -2. Pretty good bet that doesn't switch to a fraction. If I did second mode, math, enter. Let's see. Nope. Then second trace, and I'll choose intersect. And I'll do enter on first curve, enter on second curve. Again, we're looking for where it crosses the x-axis. Looks like 1. So I'll put 1 in for the guess. Yep, that's one of our answers. Let me go sketch that, jot that down. Now, if you have one decimal that will not change to a fraction, you'll have another one. So I'm guessing this one right to the right of this wouldn't be good. But this one over here looks like 7 or 8 or something like that. So let's try that one. So do second, trace, choose intersect. Enter on first curve, enter on second curve, let me put 7 in. And sure enough, it tells me that's my answer. Okay, so let's plug these in. I'll start with 1 since it's a smaller number. It doesn't matter which one you start with, they'll both give you the same answer in the end. Okay, so then we'll add 1 plus nothing's 1. Multiply, you always multiply by the number up in the box, by the number you just put down there. 1 times 1 is 1. Add, -8 and 1 is -7. Multiply, 1 times -7 is -7. Add, 4 and -7 gives me a -3. Multiply, 1 times -3 is -3. Add, 24 and -3 is 21. Multiply, 1 times 21 is 21. And add, -21 plus 21 is 0. Again, the fact we get a 0 there means, yes, indeed, that is our first answer. Now, this started out as x to the fourth. We're now down to x to the third. And I want to plug in the other answer I found, which was 7. And you want to do it in the line you just found. So then I'll add, 1 plus nothing's 1. Multiply, 7 times 1 is 7. Add, -7 plus 7 is 0. Multiply, 7 times 0 is 0. Add, -3 and 0 is -3. Multiply, 7 times -3 is -21. And add, 21 and -21 is 0. Again, the fact I get a 0 there means that 7 is our second answer. And now it's down to x squared, which is my goal. Because if I get it to x squared, I can use quadratic formula, I can use square root property, a lot of techniques. So I'm left with x squared minus 3 equal to 0. Square root property, I'll take the -3 to the right side, becomes a positive 3. Drop the squared and put a plus or minus square root around the other side. Now that doesn't simplify any. That's my other two answers.